Hey guys, got the 2007 Buick Lucerne. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to change your high beam and your low beam bulb. Now this should be a little easier for you because I assume your Buick hasn't been wrecked here. But to get to the high beam, you can just reach in like so. That's your high beam bulb right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook in underneath it with my finger, and I can kind of rotate it counterclockwise. That should be enough to just pop it out. And there should be just enough slack on the wiring for you to have it out like this. Now it is a 9005 bulb, and to disconnect it, you've just got to lift these little plastic tabs up and out of the way. So with the plastic tabs lifted up and out, you've got the bulb free. And before you reinstall the new bulb, be sure to inspect the connector, or what is called the pigtail. Make sure that you've got the seal with it, and make sure that it's not burnt out here. Sometimes these get corroded or messed up or melted. And if that's the case, you'll want to replace the pigtail. If yours is looking clean like this one, you may want to use this opportunity to put some dielectric grease on there to help the connection last, help seal out moisture. And when you have the new bulb, it's very important to install it without touching the glass. Oils from your hand or dirt can get on there, and it can lead to a premature failure of the light. So when you've got the new bulb, you just click it on there. Like I said, this should be easier for you because you're using two hands and you've got a little more clearance. So you pop it on there, you just maneuver this down in there, and you lock it in place. It's got to go in kind of cocked to the side there, and then you push it over to lock it. Now, as far as the the low beam, you don't have to remove this whole assembly. You can simply pop down here, and there's the bulb right there. So you can remove it pretty much the same way. You just rotate it counterclockwise, and it will come right out. So yeah, I hope this info was helpful for you. I do have another video about checking the fuses for the headlights. And let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice. Thanks.